This dull, unfinished hide sold for $40, and the same piece 48 hours later shipped to a sheikh's palace for $4,000. It's nice. Inside this finishing room, raw leather and pale bone accents move through a precise sequence. Hot oils worked deep. Camel leather begins its life in traditional tanneries, where hides are soaked for weeks, then stretched and dried and shipped raw to the finishing facility.
This is the starting point, and this is the ending point, and the journey between them takes 48 hours and 8 sets of hands.
First inspection, and every piece is different, with the grain, thickness, and natural marks all varying. This piece will need deep oiling. Hot oils are worked deep into the grain, and the heat opens the pores, allowing the oil to penetrate fully. This is the first transformation. The oil is worked in with bone tools, with each stroke driving the moisture deeper and building the foundation.
Excess oil is wiped away, and the leather is now conditioned and saturated and ready for the next layer.
Now the heat and waxes need heat to melt and fuse, and this is where the surface begins to seal.
Layered waxes are built up under heat, with each layer adding depth and each application raising the surface slightly. The gold begins. This is the fusion point where the wax is not just sitting on top, but is becoming part of the leather through permanent transformation. This is the first buffing, and high-speed wheels generate enough friction to fuse the wax into the surface. The shine begins here.
Inspection, and the first buff is complete, and the surface is sealed and smooth and ready for the gold application.
The chalky outer layer is stripped away, revealing the dense material beneath. This is crucial before the gold finish can be applied. The bone is shaped, with rough edges ground away and curves defined. It is no longer a fragment, but becoming a component. The 3 stages of sanding, coarse to fine, are crucial. Patience is essential, as skipping grits would ruin the finish. The first polish brings the bone to a high gloss, and the natural grain of the bone begins to show, with hidden patterns emerging. Gold metallic compound is applied in layers, with each coat adding depth and filling the grain, and creating a surface that holds light. The second polish achieves a mirror finish, rendering the bone indistinguishable from pure metal. The transformation is complete, skill turning chalky bone. The gold pigment is mixed to the perfect consistency. It must not be too thick or too thin, and must flow into the leather grain without obscuring it. The gold pigment is worked into the leather surface with the first coat. The leather drinks the color, becoming golden, transforming the brown entirely into gold.
A second coat ensures complete, even coverage, and the leather now holds a deep, rich gold that seems to glow from within.
The final buff transforms the gold into a mirror finish, reflecting not just light, but the care of the hands that created it. The heat-sealed clear coat protects the gold finish, ensuring it will not tarnish or fade. It is now a permanent object. Final inspection. Every piece is examined under bright light. Any flaw is caught, corrected, and repolished. Only perfect pieces move forward.
The leather is inspected with the same rigor, and the surface must be flawless, and the color consistent, and the shine uniform. Now the components come together, and every piece is matched and aligned and prepared for final assembly. Precision assembly, with every joint seamless and every accent perfectly placed. The final product is taking shape, and the music rises with pride. This is true handcraft, not machine-made. The care taken in each precise stitch is a testament to the quality of the final product. The bone accents are fitted and every piece precisely set, and the briefcase is complete. We conduct a meticulous final quality check. Every detail is verified, and a signed card of authenticity is placed inside. Packaged in a presentation case lined with burgundy velvet, which is fit for royalty. Tissue and ribbon and seal, which are the final touches that transform a product into a gift and an object to be presented. Now, it travels from the finishing room to the courier, from hand to hand. Secured and protected, and ready to travel. The case begins its journey to the sheikh. Welcome to the Al Thani Palace, the seat of immense wealth and tradition. The sheikh's hands touch the final product. The journey from dull leather to gold is complete.
This was $40 and this is $4,000.
The bone that was discarded is now jeweled. The transformation is nearly magical, turning what was dead into something alive and shining.
These hands create value and transform the raw into the precious. They are the heart of the finishing room.
This room, this team, this process, it's a living ecosystem dedicated to transformation, taking the raw and making it precious.
48 hours compressed, and every moment mattered. The bone remembers, and the grain is still there, preserved beneath the gold.
The leather remains leather, the gold follows its grain without flattening it. It hasn't become artificial, it's still natural.
Finished and ready, the product of 48 hours, 8 sets of hands, and one purpose: to create the precious from the raw, inside and out. Perfect. No surface was ignored, and every detail matters. In its home among the architecture and light of the palace. This product belongs in this world, made for places like this.
$40 to $4,000, and the difference is this room and these hands and this craft.
Inside the finishing room, where ordinary becomes extraordinary, and where camel, leather, and bone become gold. The journey is complete. From raw material to luxury object, the product has finally found its place in this grand palace.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. Plus, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.